What are some good diffuser blends that have lemongrass essential oil in them? In this video, I'm going to be sharing 7 lemongrass diffuser blends coming up. Hey, what's up? Melinda here as the oil coach, bringing you tips, tricks, and ideas for using your essential oils so you can live healthier, happier lives. Now, if you'd like to get a jump on these diffuser blends as well as 8 more blends, then check out the description of this video because I have a free PDF with 15 great diffuser blends with lemongrass essential oil. Now, let's jump right into today's video. So our first diffuser blend is a blend called Fight the Afternoon Slump. For this one, you're going to be putting 4 drops of wintergreen, 3 drops of orange, and 2 drops of lemongrass in your diffuser. Our second diffuser blend is called Citrus Clean, and this one is 6 drops of grapefruit, 4 drops of eucalyptus, 2 drops of lemongrass, and 2 drops of rosemary in your diffuser. Our third diffuser blend is called Creativity Booster. For this one, you're going to be putting 4 drops of petitgrain, 3 drops of clary sage, and 2 drops of lemongrass in your diffuser. Okay, our fourth diffuser blend with lemongrass is a blend called Clear the Clutter. For this one, you're going to be putting 6 drops of lemongrass, 2 drops of lime, 2 drops of Douglas fir, 1 drop of arbor vitae, 1 drop of cinnamon bark, and 1 drop of lemon essential oils in your diffuser. Our fifth diffuser recipe is called Blissful Sleep. For this one, you're simply going to be putting 5 drops of vetiver, 3 drops of lemongrass, and 2 drops of ylang-ylang essential oils in your diffuser. Our sixth diffuser blend with lemongrass is called Rain Go Away. You're going to be dropping 4 drops of lime, 4 drops of orange, and 2 drops of lemongrass in your diffuser for this one. And our seventh diffuser blend is called Ambitious Morning. This one is 4 drops of lemongrass, 4 drops of grapefruit, 2 drops of orange, 1 drop of peppermint, and 1 drop of rosemary. Now, I've linked up all of these oils below this video, along with the free PDF of these 7 diffuser blends that we just covered, plus 8 more diffuser blends with lemongrass. So if you'd like to check them out, then click on the description of this video for those 15 diffuser blends. All right, now click or tap the screen here to check out some great frankincense and myrrh diffuser blends, or click or tap the screen here to check out another one of my videos. And I'll see you in the next video.